When a thunderstorm hits, it often means the game is over. Historically, there have been moments when lightning struck athletes while they were playing on the field.
А сейчас пушка, кажется, качается. Да-да-да! Ты видал? Вот это да!
What do you want?
Rain may be romantic, but nothing stirs your heart like a close call with lightning.
Yeah.
The creator of this video wanted to capture a peaceful panorama of the rain, but instead recorded a dramatic lightning strike. Don't expect that lightning always strikes the tallest point in the area. The storm turned this road into a real game of Russian roulette. In Florida, the thunderstorm season runs from June to September, and on average, there are about 100 days a year when at least one thunderstorm happens.
That was upstairs, that.
That hit something.
Yeah, right above here.
Dad, this is really impressive.
I cracked myself then.
Did it hit something?
Yeah.
Crack. My flip too crack.
Oh! Crap myself. I'm taking the camera, it's going to get the camera.
Did you hear the electricity?
Mate.
Holy.
Yet another transformer has met its end. The last thing you'd expect on such a calm, sunny morning is a lightning strike on your porch.
What is going on, mami? Apunta para allá. Apunta.
Just know that if your hair stands on end, it's a serious warning sign. This means the air is filled with charged particles, and the risk of a lightning strike is extremely high. Even if the sky looks clear, it's best to leave the area quickly and seek shelter.
What is it?
Sure.
The temperature near a lightning strike can reach up to 30,000 degrees Celsius.
Oh, just missed a huge lightning bolt. Oh.
Lightning during a storm leads to intense ionization of the air, creating electric arcs that close the circuits along which electricity travels. The famous CN Tower in Toronto stands over 550 meters tall, making it a prime target for lightning strikes.
Right, it just... Whoa! Sweet. Unreal, man. Holy. See your field defense guy. Oh my God!
It's quite a shocking revelation. Lightning strikes don't just hit the roofs of buildings.
Oh my God!
Although a cloud-to-plane discharge has a much lower energy than a cloud-to-ground discharge, it still looks quite terrifying. This Doppler radar in Texas experienced a complete reboot after being struck by lightning. The incident caused a massive blackout that lasted an entire day in a large region.
Come around here, Don.
The clean air, charged by lightning, takes on a bluish-purple glow. This video beautifully showcases its stunning hue.
Whoa! 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 Dude, I got it on video!
I know.
The first rumble of thunder always catches you off guard.
Holy f***!
There's something epic about a sudden flash that casts the city into shadow. In Vietnam, a lightning strike caused a major disaster at a transformer station. Firefighters discovered that the strike affected an underground power cable, leading to a fire and a city-wide power outage. While the rumbling of thunder usually measures around 120 decibels, there are times when it can be as loud as a jet taking off. Surprisingly, the diameter of even such a powerful lightning bolt is no more than a few centimeters. Statistics show that lightning hits water far less often than it does land, so capturing this phenomenon is a rare stroke of luck.